everyone, welcome back to my channel which is Master English with Neeti. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में जो कि है Master English with Neeti. And last time मैंने आपको कहा था कि we were on the last chapter of Fitzroy Reader's book stories from 21 to 30 and we had finished that entire series for class 2. Now we begin afresh, anew with the stories for class 1, that is Fitzroy Readers from stories from 11 to 20. I hope you all are ready. So, are we ready to read our very first story? So, let's get started. The very first story in our book is The Animals. The very first story is story number 11, which is The Animals. Now, let's get ready to read. So, we start with the story number 11, which is The Animals. अच्छा, हम The Animals क्यों बोल रहे हैं बच्चों? हम The Animals क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? Well, only because the is used when the first letter of the first word is, or the next word after the, the is a consonant. But if any letter which is a vowel of the next letter to the, then it will not be the animals, it would be the animals, because पहला जो letter है that is A, and A is a vowel. So we will not say the animals, rather we will say the animals. Why? Because the first letter of the word animals in animals is A, and A is a vowel. Alright, so it would be the animals. Had it would be the bat, the cat, so the would have been the right thing to say, because B and K are your consonants, and that's why the sound of THE would be the, not the. Alright, but here in this case we will say the animals. I hope you're clear. आपको ये the और the का difference समझ आ गया है. एक में vowels होते हैं और एक में vowels नहीं होते हैं, और जहाँ vowel होता है वहाँ हम the बोलते हैं, जहाँ vowel नहीं होता है वो हम the बोलते हैं. Now let's move on to the next page. Page number 2. Words we know. Let's do a quick revision of the words we already know. The, John, two, my, go, two, scent, milk, jump, was. It is not was. Many a times मैंने बच्चों को देखा है वो was पढ़ते हैं. It is not was, it's was. With, for, soon, long O sound. Roof, again long O sound. Room, long O sound. Have, play, name, like, set, very. So these are the words we know. Now we move to page number 3. Herein we will understand in this chapter all about O sound, that is long O sound, that is double O as in roof. Alright, soon, room, etc. What you have to do, आपको क्या करना है? Look throughout the story, find each word with double O sound and say it aloud. So you have to find the double O sound. आपको find करना है double O sound, that is long vowel sound, and say it aloud. Alright, जैसे roof आ गया तो उसको जोर से बोलना है. Roof, soon, then room, etc. You will also come across special words. Now, children, do you remember what are special words? आपको याद है क्या होते हैं? Well, they are words which don't have a sound. They're words which don't have a sound. So, the first one is who, are, second one, and third one is you. It's not a question. These are the 3 different words that are special in this story. Now, what you have to do, they have given an instruction that you have to follow. आपको इन्होंने एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जो आपको फॉलो करना है. लुक थ्रू द स्टोरी, पूरी स्टोरी में ढूंढिए और फाइंड एंड से, और फिर बोलिए ढूंढने के बाद ईच स्पेशल वर्ड. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड इन द एंटायर स्टोरी हु, then are and you. Alright, children? Now, take a pencil, underline the words who are you as and when you find them while reading your story. Now you're ready to read the story. Yay! So let's flip to the next page of the story. Who are you? My name is Dan, said the dog. Now, a question was put up by the pig, because on page 4 we can see there is a dialogue between the pig and a dog, that there is a conversation happening between the pig and the dog, where the pig is asking the dog, who are you? Tum kaun ho? And the dog is replying, my name is Dan, said the dog. Now the dog is saying, mera naam Dan hai. My name is Peg, said the pig, and then after hearing this, pig replied, Mera naam Peg hai. Page number 5, you can see now there is a dialogue between, a conversation between a cat and a hen, wherein the hen ends up asking the cat, who are you? And the cat says, my name is Khan, said the cat. Cat ने बताया कि उसका नाम कौन है. My name is Hannah, the hen. Now, whose name is Hannah? Hannah is the hen, the name of the hen. Or the hen or the hen, children. It would be the hen. Why the hen? Why not the hen? Comment down below and let me know. मुझे बताइए comment करके कि the hen क्यों है और the hen क्यों नहीं है. Now let's move on. So in these 2 pages हमने देखा, we met 4 animals, Dan the dog, Peg the pig, Con the cat, Hannah the hen. Now they are doing introduction, like you make new friends and then you say hi and then you introduce yourselves to each other. Similarly, these animals are introducing themselves to each other. Let's flip to page number 6. You are a dog I like. You are a dog I like, said Peg the pig. Now what did Peg the pig say? Well, Peg the pig said that you are a dog I like. Okay, so Peg the pig said to the dog, Dan the dog, that I like you. You are a cat I like, said Hannah the hen. Now here Peg the pig said to Dan the dog that Peg the pig likes the dog. And Hannah the hen told the cat, Con the cat, that I really like you. Number 7, who can roll, said Dan the dog. Now Dan the dog asked, among all the 4 animals, Dan the dog asked, who can roll? I can roll in the mud, oink oink. Very well, said the pig. Peg the pig. So Peg the pig said that I can roll very well in mud. I'm very good at it. Peg was wet, and just in the fraction of seconds, Peg the pig was rolling in the pond or in the pool of mud. He was all into mud, or the puddle of mud, you can say. He was all in the mud. See, oink oink, I'm dirty. I like being dirty. Isn't it sometimes that you also tend to become dirty? आप भी गंदे हो जाते हो रोल करते करते. Similarly, Peg the pig भी dirty हो गया. He liked being dirty in the mud. Like mud was his favorite thing. Now next question was put up by Peg the pig. He said, who can jump? Said Peg the pig. I can jump very well, said Dan the dog. और Dan the dog ने कहा, मैं बहुत अच्छे से jump कर सकता हूँ. Dan was hot. And Dan was hot means Dan was feeling very hot, very warm. Maybe it's because he was doing a physical activity. It often happens, आपके साथ भी होता है जब आप बाहर खेलने जाते हो and it is a sunny day. What happens? You tend to perspire. आपको sweat आता है, आप थक जाते हो. You tend to get tired and you feel very, very hot. Similarly, Dan the dog was jumping, and due to that physical activity, he felt very hot. Okay, so that was the tendency, that he felt that he was feeling very warm, very hot because of the physical workout. Now page number 9, who can peck, said Con the cat. Now Con the cat was asking, who can peck? Peck means, pecking like a hen. It's basically a term used for eating small portions, very small portion, बहुत छोटे छोटे portions मुंह में लेना, छोटे 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 nibble करना. So then Con the cat asked, who can do the peck part? And then Hannah said that I can pack food very well. और Hannah the hen said कि मैं तो खाना बहुत अच्छे से पैक कर सकती हूँ. Hannah was old. और सबसे इन सारे एनिमल्स में सबसे ओल्ड कौन थी? Hannah. And see children, she has food in her beak and she's nibbling one seed at a time, right? One grain at a time. So that is pecking, okay? छोटा छोटा खाना, थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना, एकदम थोड़ा थोड़ा. All right, next. Page number 10. Who can sit still? कौन sit still कर सकता है? Sit still means एकदम सीधा बैठ सकता है बिना move करे. आप वो गेम खेलते हैं ना, come on and move, then freeze, move and freeze. Similarly, now here Hannah the hen asked everybody, who can sit still without moving? बिना हिले डुले कौन बैठ सकता है? I can sit very still, said Con the cat. और Con the cat ने confidently बोला, मैं आराम से बैठ सकता हूँ. I can sit very still. Con was cool, and look at Con. Con was cool. Cool, longo sound. Con was cool. Cool means here he was a chilled, relaxed person. Okay, not cool as in thanda. Con thanda nahi tha, but here Con as was cool means he was very calm. He was a calm cat. Okay, he was not scared or perturbed. Now page number 11. You can roll very well, said Dan the dog to Peg the pig. अब Dan the dog ने क्या बोला? Peg the pig की तारीफ की. अरे यार तुम तो बहुत अच्छे से रोल कर सकते हो, Peg the pig. You can really roll well. And you're so fit. And Dan the dog said to Peg the pig that can roll, not only roll very well, but it's lovely to see you this way. Then Peg the pig, upon hearing that I can roll very well and Dan the dog has appreciated, he also gave a compliment to the dog that you are very fit. तो फिर Peg ने जब सुना, Peg the pig ने क्या, अरे मेरी तारीफ हुई है, Dan the dog ने मेरी तारीफ की है कि मैं बहुत अच्छे से मड में रोल कर सकता हूँ, तो I can also see कि Dan the dog भी बहुत अच्छे से जंप करने की वजह से फिजिकली फिट रहता है, तो बहुत ही फिट है, तो मैं भी उसको तारीफ कर देता हूँ. तो उन्होंने भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया. सो इट वॉज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेशन गोइंग ऑन, है ना, तारीफ कर रहे थे एक दूसरे की. यू चिल्ड्रन, यू शुड लर्न दैट एनिमल्स वर कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग ईच अदर. तो हमें क्या हो जाता है, वी शुड ऑल्सो गिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू अ फ्रेंड. ऐसे बिना मतलब के नहीं, लेकिन व्हेन दे डिजर्व इट ट्रूली, यू शुड. Alright, now page number 12. You can jump on the log, said Peg the pig. और Peg the pig ने क्या कहा? अरे वाह, you can jump on the log. log होता है कटा हुआ लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. ये देखिए, ये यहाँ पे ये कटा हुआ लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है, इस पे कौन जंप कर रहा है? Who is this little animal? That's Dan the dog who's jumping, and Peg the pig is saying, wow, you can jump on the log. तुम तो log पे भी jump कर सकते हो, हम तो गिर जाए, फिसल जाए, slip हो जाए. You are very fit too. तुम बहुत ही fit हो, Dan the dog. You have, page number 13, you have a lot of food to peck, said Con to Hannah. अब Con the cat ने Hannah को कहा, अरे Hannah, तुम्हारे पास कितना सारा खाना है खाने को, पैक करने को, थोड़ा. You are a big animal. And Con ने Hannah को कहा कि तुम्हारे पास इतना सारा खाना है पैक करने को, पूरा दिन तुम खाती रहती हो, तुम तो बहुत बड़ी एनिमल हो. मीन्स तुम इतनी बड़ी एनिमल हो, इतनी सी तो हो, इतना सारा खाती हो. तो ही वॉज लिटरली मेकिंग अ जोक एंड ही वॉज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग हैना कि तुम कैसे खा लेती हो इतना. नाउ पेज नंबर 14. यू कैन सिट वेरी स्टिल. और तुम एकदम स्टिल बैठ सकते हो बिना मूव किए, सेड हैना बैक टू कॉन. और हैना ने कॉन को बोला, तुम एकदम सीधा और स्टिल बैठ सकते हो. वाओ, आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड. You are a very big animal too. और तुम भी बहुत बड़े हैं, स्मार्ट महान एनिमल हो. Con the cat, किसने कहा? Hannah the hen told Con the cat that you are a very big animal too, because you can sit very still. Children, still means without moving. So what was the moral of the story? We have come to the end of the story. It is that you should make friends. And if you make friends, try not to fight, be friendly with them and give compliments to them as and when you feel they truly deserve. जब आपको लगे कि आपके friend को एक compliment देना चाहिए तो ज़रूर दें. Be happy and enjoy your friendship. So, now let's move on to page 15 and revise more words that we have used or seen in the story while reading. Repeat after me, children, for better pronunciation. अच्छी pronunciation के लिए please मेरे पीछे बोलिए. Very, very, very. John, John, John. बहुत बार बच्चे बोलते हैं John, John, John. No, it's not John, it's John. With. Who. Or. You. Peck. Nuts. Chomp. Said. Name. Play. Roll. Fell. Hill. Like. Have. Rock. Still. Animal. Room. So we are done with revision of the words that we have used in this story. And now let's move on. And we are done. Yay, children. High five. We are done with the story reading. The moral of the story we have learned that give compliments as and when somebody truly deserves. किसी को compliment दे, किसी का दिन अच्छा बनाए, जब आपको लगे कि that person truly deserves this compliment. So, what have we done today? आज हमने क्या सीखा? We have learned special words. Who are you? We have learnt long O sound. Alright? Long O vowel sound. And we have learned the correct pronunciation of words. We have also come across the moral of the story and many words that we have used in the story. I hope you have understood the story. Any question that you find difficult, you can comment. आपका कोई क्वेश्चन लगता है जो आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है, you can type the question in the comment box. तो अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है, आप मुझे कमेंट कॉलम में क्वेश्चन टाइप करें, मैं उसका आंसर आपको ज़रूर दूंगी. Alright? Till then, happy reading. Please like, share and subscribe and enjoy reading. Bye-bye. See you. Good night.